All right, I've used and owned this bed extender right here for a little over a year now as of filming. And I will say I've been surprised with how well it's done. This product was given to me to do an instructional video on for an Amazon company. And companies ask me to do that every now and then. It's probably 50-50 whether or not I keep the product or sell it off and just get rid of it after making a video for them. But I've kept this one because it's come in handy plenty of times. Again, as of filming right now, the company's called Timecodes on Amazon, which I think they changed their name or something because I originally reviewed it for Melipron, but I've noticed that the pictures that I sent in with this installed on my truck ended up on the Timecodes, or however you say it, on their product page. So that's the one I'm going to link, and who knows if it's going to change in the next year and a half or whatever. But if you see a bed extender with this kind of design and setup and everything, I'd say it's a good chance it's probably the exact same or really close to the same as this one. And again, it's done well. The thing that I don't like the most about it is that I had to drill into the side of the truck bed right here, which didn't like doing, but it's held up. I was nervous about these screws coming out or getting loose or something, but they've done well. The only other frustrating part is that sometimes if you put this thing up like that, and if you don't put the straps like that, then when you try to close the bed of the truck, it's gonna get stuck right here. Otherwise, this thing is pretty useful and pretty easy to use. So I keep it installed just like this with the tailgate closed usually. And what that does is it allows an area for storage back here where nothing's gonna slide around. So, you know, if I'm carrying a gas can, I can just stick it right here, bungee it to the rail, and it's not gonna move anywhere compared to just being loose back here in the bed. And then when it's time to use it, just put the bed down, flip it up like that, and there you go, you're good to go. The purpose of these straps is so that you can hook it into the tailgate latch right here and to keep it secure so it doesn't bounce. But kind of what I've noticed in my use of it is that if you're keeping stuff back here, you're probably gonna have it tied down. You don't have to worry about this bouncing around. And then again, super easy to pull it out. All you gotta do, 45-degree angle. There you go. One-handed. It's pretty lightweight. Feels like some thin metal, so I don't know if I would trust really, you know, an impact or a huge weight being put up against this. These guards right here are plastic. Everything else on here is metal. I thought these panels right here were kind of cheesy at first when I put them on, just because the company had like shovels and tools and stuff installed back here. But it really does make it easy, like I said, to put bungee cords or even ratchet straps to it if you just got lightweight stuff you want to keep from moving around. Also great for groceries. Probably the one feature that I've never used, and I don't know if it comes with the new ones, is this pole mount right here. Just mounts to this panel back here. And it's got a screw in here for adjustment. I don't know if that's for a flagpole or fishing pole or what, but I've never used that. Definitely got my use out of it, and I would say that I'd buy it again, but it was free to me. These are the only spots of rust you can see. That's from those screws inside there. So those screws are rusting out. And again, that's over the course of a year and a half. This one right here also getting rusty. But it's held up, it's done well.